the fund's got a hurdle rate of about 9% is what we're targeting. We like to under-promise and overachieve. We do hope to achieve a lot more in the fund over the next 5 years, but we've set a nice hurdle rate at 9%. And then on the cask side of stuff, we are buying the whiskey. We're diversifying and buying a lot of whiskey from North America, a lot of bourbon. Huge market at the moment, growing huge, kind of where Scotch was 10 years ago. We've got in there a nice collection of bottles we have in there of some aged Scotch as well. Probably some Macallan casks we'll be focusing on. And those ideas for the casks are quite simple. It's either we're buying the casks to sell back to the distillery. We've got very close relationships with the whiskey distilleries who buy the whiskey back from us after 4 years. They need to buy off us aged Scotch to then blend it with other whiskies. So that's interesting. Or we're going to bottle the casks and then sell those bottles on to our client and customer database for the end consumers.